Arasaka?
Try and touch her now. They found me. I have to shut this thing down. Something big is buried here. A Cyber-Roadster. I thought these were all destroyed in the blackout. Step away from the vehicle. That's corporate property.
Come on, baby! Wake up!
Get out of my way. Home sweet home. Let's see what's under your skin. What are you doing inside a Tesla battery? Biometric lock? This isn't just a car part, it's a black box. There you are. Beautiful.
Arasaka? This card belonged to the head of security?
Easy now. This battery.
I'm in. Show me your secrets.
If you're seeing this, I'm already gone. The car. It's not just a car. It's the only copy of the Soulkiller source code.
Soulkiller.
It's alive, and it's angry. Now that's what I call a masterpiece.
Safe and sound. For now.
Try and touch her now.
Listen to that. That's the sound of the future.
From a pile of junk to a god of the road.
Let's see what this soul killer can really do.
Protocol Soulkiller initiated. Destination, Arasaka Tower.
What? No. Override. Cancel command.
They found me. I have to shut this thing down. Not today, Arasaka. Not today.